Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're looking at the key programming for the alarm and the central locking, and also the battery replacement on the key for the Mazda CX-5 2.2 2017 to 2019. So let's get started with the key programming. And now we will look at the battery replacement. This is how you replace the battery for it. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please give the video a like, comment any questions below, and thank you for watching. See you next time.